What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys another one of my favorite healthy smoothies. So let's get into it. So I'm going to use some orange juice, some plain Greek yogurt, mango, banana, and maybe just like 2 strawberries. I don't have any lemon juice, and this is why I'm using the yogurt and the strawberries to get that little tart in the back, because I like, a little tart in my smoothies. So this pretty much works for me, but the strawberries are definitely optional because this is a mango smoothie. So you want to add all your fruit to the mixer, as well as your orange juice and your yogurt. Blend it up, and that's it, y'all. My favorite. This, as a matter of fact, I love mangoes, you guys. I'm an island woman. I love mangoes. We eat mangoes a lot. So this is just one of my all-time favorite smoothies, and I drink them a lot. So, and it's the summertime. It's perfect for the summertime. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.